What's going on, guys? I'm Cris from Gamertech Toronto, and today on our PC build series with Intel Core Ultra, we're talking about one of the most important parts of any gaming PC, the graphics card. A good GPU reflects how smooth your games look, how high your frame rates go, and what kind of visual settings you can run. But with so many choices out there, picking the right one can feel overwhelming. What specs matter? What features should you look for? And how to get the best performance for your budget? In this episode, we're focusing on Intel's Arc B series GPUs, a powerful and affordable options for gamers and creators. We'll break down what to look for in a GPU, how the Intel Arc B series stacks up, and answer some common questions to help you make the best choice for your build. Picking the right GPU isn't just about getting the most powerful graphics card. It's about finding the right balance of performance, efficiency, and features for your needs. Whether you're building a new gaming rig, upgrading an older system, or even getting into content creation, there's a few key things to consider. Performance and resolution. Your GPU determines how smooth and visually impressive your games will look. For 1080p gaming, it delivers high frame rates at ultra settings, making it a great choice for competitive and even casual gamers. For 1440p gaming, it requires more VRAM and AI-based upscaling to maintain consistent performance at higher resolutions. Now, VRAM plays a big role in how well your GPU handles modern games and even future games. 8GB of VRAM is suitable for 1080p gaming, but may struggle with newer and more demanding titles. 12GB of VRAM is a better choice for 1440p gaming and future-proofing, ensuring smoother performance in upcoming games. Modern GPUs come with advanced features that improve visuals, efficiency, and overall gaming experience. Some key features to look for in today's GPUs include AI-driven upscaling. It uses machine learning to increase frame rates while keeping visuals sharp, improving performance in demanding games. Ray tracing support. It enhances lighting, reflections, and shadows for more realistic and immersive environments. Next-gen media encoding. It allows for higher quality video capture and streaming with better compression and lower bandwidth usage. High-speed connectivity. Support for modern PCIe standards, optimized drivers, and memory bandwidth improvements to ensure a smoother experience in both gaming and creative programs. These are special features that help extend the lifespan of a GPU, ensuring it remains capable not just for today's games, but for future releases as well. Now, why should you even invest in the Intel Arc B series? Intel has been pushing GPU technology forward, and the Arc B series is proof that high-performance gaming and content creation can be accessible to everyone. These GPUs bring modern features, smooth gameplay, and creator-friendly technology to a price point that makes sense. It's designed for mainstream gamers, content creators, and anyone upgrading an older system. The Intel Arc B series delivers smooth 1080p and 1440p performance without breaking the bank. Intel Arc B series GPUs aren't just about affordability, they're also designed to deliver modern gaming and creative performance without compromise. The Arc B580 comes with 12GB of VRAM and can handle 1440p gaming smoothly while ensuring future games run without bottlenecks. AI-powered driven XeSS 2.0 upscaling boosts frame rates while maintaining sharp, high-quality visuals. AV1 encoding and dual media engines provide higher quality streaming and faster video rendering, making these GPUs a great choice for streamers and content creators. It even comes with optimized drivers and PCIe 4.0 and 5.0 support, ensuring stable performance across modern games while reducing latency and improving responsiveness. So for anyone looking for a GPU that balances price and performance, the Intel Arc B series delivers cutting-edge technology at an accessible price, making high-quality gaming and content creation even more affordable than ever before. Intel's Arc B series GPUs provide options for different performance levels, whether you're building a budget system or need extra power for 1440p gaming. The Arc B580 is the better choice for high FPS at 1440p, future-proof gaming, and demanding workloads, while on the other hand, the B570 remains a strong entry-level option for budget-focused 1080p gaming. There's always a lot to consider when choosing a graphics card, and with Intel Arc B series bringing new features to a budget-friendly GPU, we know you guys got some questions. So let's go over the most common ones. Is 12 gigabytes of VRAM really enough for gaming? Absolutely. 12 gigs of VRAM is ideal for both 1080p and 1440p gaming, ensuring smoother performance in modern titles and reducing the risk of memory bottlenecks as games become more demanding. It also gives you more headroom for higher texture settings and future-proofing. How does Intel XeSS improve gaming performance? Well, it has AI-powered upscaling technology that boosts FPS without sacrificing visual quality. It allows your GPU to render at a lower resolution while reconstructing a sharper final image, meaning you can get higher quality performance without losing any details that matter. Is Intel Arc a good choice for streaming and content creation? Yes, and here's why. Intel GPUs offer AV1 encoding with dual media engines, meaning you'll get higher quality streaming with better compression at lower bit rates. Whether you're live streaming gameplay or exporting high resolution video, our GPUs help you create smooth, professional, high quality content. What power supply do you need for an Intel Arc? Well, the Intel Arc B580 has a TDP of around 175 watts, so even a 600 watt plus power supply is recommended for a stable build. Always check that your PSU has the necessary power connectors and enough wattage to handle your full system, especially if you plan to overclock and add more components. These GPUs are built to bring powerful features to budget-friendly systems, making them a solid choice whether you're gaming, streaming, or upgrading an older build. Intel Arc B series GPUs prove that affordable gaming doesn't mean sacrificing performance. The Arc B580 is an excellent budget-friendly choice, offering 12 gigabytes of VRAM, AI-powered upscaling, and next-gen encoding for gamers and streamers. You can find the new Intel Arc B series at your local tech retailers. Also, let us know in the comments if you're excited to try it out. If you've enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to catch us in the next episode in the series. Thanks for watching.